With the new assignment tool, you can easily add a worksheet from Google Drive. In this case it's the Icebreaker worksheet, and you can choose whether you give a copy to each individual student or have the student view it themselves. These documents can be used with peer assessment and with plagiarism control, but not with the anonymous submission option. With the enhancements to the learning path feature, it's now possible when you try and delete a step, you can actually move it to another folder rather than delete it and send it to the trash can. It's also much easier to add elements to steps. Simply click on Add Resource, choose an option, and then tick the box with the resource that you want to add, and complete the path. In the course, under the assessment record, you can now go to the menu at the top right to export a CSV file for the data in the assessment record. Enhancements to the 360 reports. You'll see that we can now limit the reports that are seen. Under Settings and Course Properties, we can scroll down to a 360 report selection where we can untick a report that we don't want to view. We can now see that report is not viewable. Branding logo. It's now possible to set a branding logo for every dashboard on the site from the admin menu. Click on Menu and Settings and you'll see a new option to use the logo on all dashboards. Tick it and click Save and your new logo will be applied to every group dashboard. Only administrators have the ability to do this. File Uploader has been simplified. Simply click on Add Files and you'll see one column instead of two. Adding from OneDrive now adds, by default, as a link instead of a separate file. If you'd like a separate file, tick the box to upload a copy to itslearning. We now have the ability to report abusive messages and block messages. To block a message, simply click the down arrow next to the user you want to block and click Block Message. To report abuse, select the arrow next to the message and click Report Abuse. It will then show up as red and tell you it's reported. You have additional features to add a message as a favourite. There's now a new and improved way to access support. For a customer, simply go to Features and Security, scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see that you can allow access to services or support. You can choose a day that they're allowed to access, and also check on an audit log of what they've done whilst they've been on the system.